I want to break down my plan with Smart Credit to go from 400 active members to 1,000 active members. I'm going to break down the whole entire process. So before I talk about the plan from going from 400 to 1,000, we got to talk about how I went from 0 to 400. I was more than this, but that's another conversation for another day. But from 0 to 400 members, how I started was I started posting content on YouTube. I was just creating do-it-yourself content, teaching people how to fix their credit themselves, right? And with going from 0 to 400, some people learn how to fix credit themselves, and some people sign up for the services, right? But all I was doing, it was just creating content, teaching people how to look at the report, teaching people how to read the report, teaching people how to understand their future credit score, teaching people understanding what they should be disputing, showing people how to leverage the Fair Credit Reporting Act, showing people how to leverage the FDCPA, just showing people all the things they need to do to fix their credit, going over the CFPB, going over the BBB, going over the Attorney General, going over, they can, talk to a consumer lawyer, just showing people step by step and breaking it down, having people on the channel. But mostly all I was doing was just posting on YouTube consistently, right? And with being consistent with YouTube, I told people, hey, they can get access to the report. They can try it out. They can look at their credit report. They can see the inaccuracies. They can leverage. They can create the letter. I was just showing them step by step on how to do that. And people were just clicking the link, signing up. And that's how I went from 0 to 400. Now, how I plan on going back to 1,000, then 2,000, then 3,000 members. Now, I want to show you the math, right? At 400 members, is 400 members, and you times that by just 15, right? That's going to give you about $6,000, right? So 6K, and this is, if I just keep it active, and I'll bring up a screenshot so I can show you I got over 400 members, right? At $6,000, and this is per month, right? And you do 6K per month, you do the math, right? And then from there, to go from, let's just say 400, this is my commission, right? $15, Smart Credit get their commission. So 6K, right? But if you do the math on to go from 400 to 1,000, you times that by 15, right? You understand that's what, 15K per month. It's $15,000 per month. Smart Credit is paying me, right? But I plan on adding an additional 1,000 members every single month. And every time I add 1,000, that's 30K. Then 45,000, and then 60,000. You get the math, right? And I plan on adding the Now, how I plan on doing this is I'm already creating, I could just put it right here. I'm already creating content on YouTube, right? So I'm creating content on YouTube, right? I'm posting videos, right? And by me doing this, I'm telling people, hey, get access to your report, get access to your report. So I'm posting content on YouTube, and I'm telling people, I'm creating do-it-yourself videos. I'm answering specific questions people are asking. So they're watching the Verify, they're watching this. But the next thing I'm doing now is I'm adding Facebook. So with me adding Facebook, I'm adding a tracking link to all my stuff that I have on YouTube. So anybody that click a link, now they're being added with Meta, right? So now what I'm doing is anybody that click on the link and don't buy, I can then retarget them, because we need to understand this. Everybody isn't ready to buy just yet, but you done did all the hard work. So since you did all the hard work, right, you're creating content, you're posting, people click on the link, something might have happened. They might got interrupted. They might have forgot. And they're like, oh, snap. But Leveraging Facebook, right? You can then retarget anybody that clicked on a link and retarget them with a video ad. But I'm also leveraging Facebook to create what I call the same thing I'm doing on YouTube, but I'm putting money behind my Facebook videos, and you can target anybody that watch your videos, right? So you can target people that watch 25% of your videos. You can target people that watch 50% of your videos. You can target people that watch 75% of your videos, and you can target people that watch 95% of your videos. So think about it. You create a do-it-yourself, Facebook video, right? On Facebook, you put it as an ad, and you can retarget those people. And if somebody watches 95% of your video, don't you think that person, probably not just yet, wants something from you? All right, so if they're watching 95% of your content, you can retarget them with another ad or a video. Hey, sign up for this, get access to your report, sign up for your service, whatever the case may be. So, and I can get in front of more people, and I can retarget anybody that clicked on my link. So this is going to help me go from 400 to 1,000 at a cheap rate. And you can spend $1 to $2 a day retargeting people that click on your link. And you do the math. I'm getting $15. I spend $2 a day, and somebody just signs up one person a day. Just for an example, I'm going to make the money back. Now, hey, it's clicking. So I just want to show you the strategy, and I'm gonna come back next month, and you're gonna see the progress of how we went from 400, and then I'm gonna have 1,000, and then I'm gonna continue making, every once a month update you on, all right, I'm at 2,000, 3,000, and I'm just gonna show you the process. It's crazy, but it's gonna work. Hold up. Now, if you want to learn how to become a partner with Smart Credit that give you real money every single month, hey, click the link in the description and pin to the comments. Become a partner completely for free. And I'm going to show you how to become a partner, on how to do everything and set everything up. Now, this process is completely simple, okay? The link is going to be provided in the description and pinned to the comments. So once you click on here, you're going to be on this screen right here. And then from there, you just put your first name, last name, your job title, CEO, right? CEO or co-owner. And then you're going to put your email address. You're going to put your phone number. You're going to put your you're going to put your mobile phone number. You're going to put your primary language, English, Spanish, okay? And then from there, you're going to put your mailing address, okay? City, state, zip code. And then from there, you're going to put your company's name. Now, if you don't have a company's name, it's okay. Put something here, and you can always change it. Now, you also don't have to, like you see, you don't have to put your website if you don't have one, but you can. If you don't have a company's email, it's okay. You can just put your regular email. If you don't have a company's phone number, it's okay. You can always update this later. And then from there, you'll click on next, right? Then you'll click on submit. Now, once you click on submit, you're going to receive an email from Smart Credit. Just wait about 2 to 3 emails, review everything. So like, a guideline, some of the things that they have to offer, going over the program, the partnership program. And then from there, there's going to be another form for you to fill out. Make sure you just input everything, go over the different plans. And then from there, you're also going to receive a call from a Smart Credit representative. So talk to them if you have any specific questions. Make sure, you let them know the questions that you may have, and they'll be happy to answer you and help you out and get you inside the portal, where there's other things that's going to help you out as well, as far as becoming a credit repair business owner.